Hi guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful Instagram logo like this using HTML and CSS. So here I have written my basic structure of HTML. In this, I have linked my CSS file here in head tab. Here you can see my CSS file. So I have taken the title Instagram logo, and in body tag I have taken a div class named Instagram, and in this div I have taken a class style. Now come to our CSS file. Here I have taken body margin 0, padding 0, and in class Instagram here you can see in our HTML file, here is the class Instagram. So I am going to target my class Instagram. So width I have taken 150 pixel, height I have taken 150 pixel, and border radius I have taken 35 pixel, and background color I have taken, you can write the background color in your code. So here I have taken display, grid, and place item center, and margin top -15 rem, and margin left 10 rem. After that I have taken the class style. Here in HTML there is a class style, you can see here. So after that in class style I have taken width 120 pixel, height 120 pixel, border 7 pixel, solid with color white, border radius 32 pixel, place item center, position absolute, position relative. I have taken position relative. So in the class style with before I have taken content should be nothing, and width 45 pixel, height 45 pixel, border 10 pixel, solid white, and border radius 50%, background transparent, position absolute, top 27 pixel, right 27 pixel. After that in class style tag with after I have taken a content should be nothing, width 20 pixel, height 10 pixel, border 2 pixel, solid sorry, and color white, and border radius I have taken 50%, background color white, position absolute, top 10%, 10 pixel, and right 12 pixel. So after writing that much of code, you'll get a beautiful Instagram logo like this. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in